Ever wondered if you could become a one-person review powerhouse and leave multiple Google reviews from just one trusty laptop? Let's dive into the world of Google reviews and explore the possibility and the potential pitfalls of posting multiple reviews from a single device. First and foremost, it's technically possible to log into different Google accounts on your laptop. To do this, make sure you are logged out of any current Google accounts. Head over to accounts.google.com and log in with your first account. Then, in the top right of your screen, click your account photo, and then choose Add Another Account. You will then need to repeat the process for any other Google accounts you have. Now for the important part, Google's policies. Google is very strict about review manipulation. Posting multiple reviews for the same business from the same device can be seen as spam, especially if the reviews are similar in content or posted in a short time frame. This can lead to your reviews being flagged, filtered out, or even your accounts being penalized. The key is diversity and authenticity. If you genuinely have different perspectives and experiences with the same business, you can leave reviews from different accounts, but make sure each review is unique, genuine, and reflects your individual experience. If you don't have different accounts, it is best not to risk it. Google can easily tell when something is not genuine, so it is important to focus on being authentic. So, while technically possible, proceed with caution, prioritize authenticity, and always adhere to Google's guidelines to avoid any unwanted consequences.